Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today again it's just another simple one color set with a little bit of art with my neon pigments. So for a change I'm using Brillbird Acrylic, which is their nude cover pink, and I actually forgot how really good this product is. Oh my goodness, where do I start? They go on so well, so easily. They like level out. There's not much work that you have to do with them, and they are strong. They are really strong. It's like whenever they're cured, because this is obviously a strength powder, it's so hard when you're filing them. You know, you can just feel the strength in them. So I thought I would just zoom in for this video just to let you see how smooth this acrylic actually goes on, and you can see there's no seam at all whenever in between beads. Some of the acrylic powders, for each bead that you place you can actually see it, but nothing with this one. I just think it's fab. So I'm just going to let you go ahead and watch the application of this acrylic, and then I'll come back when we're just about to put the neon pigments on. So when I was looking at the side view of the nails, I did see that some of them, the apex was just a little bit low. So I'm just going in with a few beads and just to get the strength and structure of that nail correct. Now that all the acrylic has been cured, I'm going to go ahead and I'm doing my normal filing routine. So I'm starting at the side walls, I'm making sure they're nice and straight, then I go to the lower arch and I make sure they're nice and straight and coming out in line with the client's natural nail. After that, I go to the free edge and I make sure that that's nice and straight and the shape that I want it. After I've done all that, I move on to buffing around the cuticle, making sure it's nice and flush and there's no obvious step. And then I just continue over the whole nail, always filing in an upward motion towards the apex, and that way it's going to keep the apex where I left it and make your nail more structurally sound. So just to keep the length of the video down for you guys, I've went ahead and I've done the white gel paint, as you can see, just in the designs. And I'm now going to go ahead and I'm going to place the neon pigment into the white. To do this, I'm just using a regular nail art brush. It's not a nail brush, it's just a regular nail art brush. And I'm just picking up a little bit of the pigment and tapping it out onto my paper towel before I pick up the next one. And I'm just kind of blending those colours in together as I go along. I'll just continue to do this over all 4 nails, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you swatch it and I'll come back towards the end. So now that I have all the pigment on and I've brushed the nail to make sure there's no loose pigment hanging on, I'm going in with Glitter Planet's Super Gloss Top Coat and I'm just putting that over the neon pigments. And before I cure that top coat, I'm going in with some Brillbird glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top of the nail, and it will catch on where I've placed the top coat. So now that all the top coat is cured, I'm just brushing off any of the loose glitter, but I'm not happy with the colour on the base of the middle finger. So I'm buffing it off, and I'm going to replace the white gel, and I'll push a lighter coloured pigment into that area. I'll also cover it again with the top coat and then sprinkle the glitter on. So now you can see I'm going back in with the white gel paint, and I'm just doing the same shape and just kind of blending it in a little bit to the pigments that are already there. And that way, whenever I place the pigment, the new pigment colours on, it will just flow into it just as if it never even happened. Yes, definitely having the lighter colours on the bottom of that nail just looks so much better than the purple that I already had on. So I've already put the top coat on, and I have cured it. Oh, sorry, no, before I cured it, I sprinkled on the glitter. And now that it's all cured, I'm going to go over all the nails with a matte top coat. Because we have used loose glitter, sometimes you need to do 2 coats of the top coat and buff very, very gently in between, just so that the nails are really, really smooth. Or if you like the fact of the sugar effect and you like to be able to feel the glitter, just leave it. But I personally would prefer to have it nice and smooth, because I would just pick and pick. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and do that now. And if you hit the little notification bell, you'll not miss any more of my videos. And I will see you all in the next one. So take care. See you soon. Bye.